Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut Pro features for free. So CapCut Pro unlocks premium effects, text styles, fonts, stock footage, and advanced editing tools. And normally you need a subscription, but I'll show you how you can try them for free without steady download. So first you can just open CapCut. If you are on mobile, you can open CapCut and then go to the settings, and then you can just log in with your TikTok or Google account. And then if you see the options to join a pro for free, you can tap on that because many regions give a 7-day free trial or special offers. And then after that, you can use all the premium features during the trial and export your videos without watermark. And if the trial not showing, you can change your device region in settings or Play Store or App Store. And if the export stuck, you can lower the preview quality during edit and then export in full resolutions. And if you have login errors, you can clear the cache and try again. And if you are using CapCut on a PC like this, you can try to get a Canva Pro for free by inviting your friends using the link reference. So you can just copy the link and then give them to your friends. And when they open the CapCut desktop using the link, you can get a 7-day free pro in the CapCut PC. And that's how you can unlock CapCut Pro features for free in 2025. 100% working and safe, no hacks, no weird APKs, just smart use of CapCut's own free trial system. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.